Igbo. Ndị niile ife Igbo na-amasị. Ndị niile na-asụ Igbo, na-ata Igbo. I welcome you back to Igbo Online College. Today I want to talk about ỌMỤGWỌ. ỌMỤGWỌ. ỌMỤGWỌ in English is postnatal care. Yes, it is, the word ỌMỤGWỌ is from two words, ịmụ and ịgwọ. Ịmụ is to put to bed. Ịgwọ is to heal, so healing the person that's put to bed. So during this time, the Igbo people bring out some weeks. In Igbo, we call it Izu Asa. Izu Asa is 7 Igbo weeks. Izu, one Izu in Igbo is 4 days, so 7 of it is Izu Asa, being 28 days. That is 1 month in our own time. During this time, the mother of the person that just puts to bed will go to the daughter's house to take care of the daughter, because they believe that once that a woman that is just delivered of a child just came back from death, that the woman just climbed down from a tree. That is the belief in Igbo culture. That is why if a woman puts to bed, they greet the person by saying no. That is welcome. No means welcome. That is the greeting to the Igbo people's greeting to a mother that just put to bed. So because of this, they would not want the woman to stress out herself during the postnatal care, given the stress she had gone through. So either the mother comes. If the mother is no more, the sister could come. If the sister is not there, anybody she's comfortable with that can take good care of her is allowed to come. And while coming, the mother of this woman comes with a lot of things, all those traditional herbs and foodstuffs that she will use to cook for the woman. Then, after the care, during the care, the woman is not allowed to do strenuous jobs, strenuous things that will make her to get to be down or something. Then after this, the man in turn, the husband of the woman in turn, will buy things for the mother-in-law when she wants to leave. They will buy things like clothes, wrappers, salt, soap, because when she gets home, there are people that will welcome her, then she'll be giving them stuffs. So they will buy things in appreciation. Oh, you came to take care of my wife, thank you. That is just it, in appreciation of the work she has done in taking care of the woman. That is why they buy those things. This period helps the woman that just puts to bed to rest, to have enough rest. It is really a time of rest for the woman, and just breastfeeding the baby, bonding with the baby, having rest to recuperate, because really it is not easy to carry a child in your womb, put to bed, take care of the child. It is not easy. So they understand this. That is why they put in place what we call ỌMỤGWỌ. Say it's ỌMỤGWỌ. So Igbo people, they know that a woman needs help when she puts to bed. So dear men, remember, this is not a time to say my in-law has come to finish my food or to finish my things. No, it is a time for help. She has come to help. By the way, in-law in Igbo is Ogo. Then if it is a woman, Ogom nwanyị, my in-law, that is a female. If it is male, Ogom nwoke. Ogom nwoke is my in-law but male. Alright, I just said to let you know about ỌMỤGWỌ in Igbo. ỌMỤGWỌ in Igbo. At this time, they cook special dishes for the woman that just put to bed. I just said to let you know of this. Please share my video, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to click on the notification button so that you will not forget whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Que